Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. This is page 3 of my abstract collage art journal project. If you haven't watched the other two, hopefully you have, but they'll be linked below. If you haven't watched the other two, I am using a specific set of just scraps that I've had lying around, plus my little jelly printed coffee filter, which doesn't tear very easily, and just creating a few pages to finish up this art journal. And yeah, just playing around to see what I can come up with this a specific number of scraps. And I'm doing all the pages with the same bundle of scraps that I collected in the beginning. I actually did all these in one day. They've all so far been long enough to count as one video each, and timing is pretty good because I'm going on a little trip, so I'm pre-recording these and having them uploaded while I'm gone having fun. And again, I am working outside of the book just so that it's a little easier to work since that book is full and really kind of warped. I'm surprised how much glue stick warps the book, but most of the stuff in there is all collage, not necessarily abstract, but all done with a glue stick. Seems to be holding up pretty well. I've had it for, gosh, do I have a date on any of these pages? First page in the book. No. Page number 1 says 2020, January 2020. So it hasn't been that long. Well, 2 years, almost 2 years. Yeah, fun. Anyway, this one is just a quick one. I think I will name it. What did I put a word on there? Oh, laugh. We'll call this one laugh. Yeah, I've talked about all the different papers that I've got. This is rice paper, ink pages that I have. I have a big old map. I didn't really talk about that one. Topographical map. I got at a art recycling store in my state. It's not nearby, or I'd probably be there more often. Actually, I've only been there once. I need to go again because it was kind of fun, and hopefully they're still in business because it was pre-COVID. And some embossed tissue paper just to add a little bit of bling to the page. We like bling. And hopefully do that without tearing it. I like the coffee filter I picked. It's light and makes everything lighter and brighter, right? And this is just kind of random. I mean, I'm using all the same scraps, not going for anything new, and hoping that it makes some sort of sense. It's abstract or non-representational. Except for I do put my little bird stamp on here, which I have those somewhere. I was trying to think of what else to put on here. I have these little postage stamps that I stamped onto some paper. I figured I'd add one of those. Why not? Make it a little collage cluster right there. I have that circle. I keep wanting to add it. I don't think it gets added to any. Oh, no. It'll get added to the next one. I've tried to add it to every page, I think. So yeah, I couldn't figure out what else to put. I need some sort of focal. I feel like I need some sort of focal. So we're going to put the bird on here. And I think I'm going to use one of my red triangles. That's just stenciled onto receipt paper. And then the receipt paper was heated up, and then I put a little matte medium to see what would happen, and it takes away the black. If you heat up receipt paper, it turns black. There we go. Just have our pop of red. And I decide to have the bird with his tail feathers sticking off a little ways. But I'll preserve his tail feathers because when I put him into the book, they can just kind of stick off of the frame. Onto the frame. You know what I mean. In the border. There's my word. Don't think I put anything else on there, so that is it. See, quick and easy. I really like how these are turning out, and I hope you have enjoyed watching them. I hope you, if you did, if you hit like or leave me a nice comment, that would be awesome. And if you're new to my channel, maybe check it out, see what else out there is interesting to watch, or subscribe so you can get alerts when I upload a new video. And I'll have a couple of snapshots at the end here. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.